Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into auto-publish and preview options and site navigation. So glad you see. Hit that like button and let's get started. Auto-publish and preview options and site navigations in Bitrix24 site. Auto-publish option. The auto-publish option will specify your work with sites. Now, if you enable auto-publish option, all changes will appear on the site immediately. You will not lose your changes if you forgot to save them or close a browser. Auto-publish option is useful if you are creating a new site and trying different designs. You no longer need to publish the site every time to evaluate the changes. You can disable auto-publish option at the top of the right. Here we can see we have some it always auto publish. If you disable this means it will not proceed to auto publish. Now go to site preview. Click on the preview option. Here we have the published version of the site on your mobile device in a new tab or by a link. Here you can check your preview before publishing the site. If here you is it all the okay, then we can publish the site. If it will go to auto publish, or you can disable it and you can cite it. Now go to move to the site navigation. In the site navigation window, you can see the site structure. You can find a page by name in the search bar. Here you can test it. The current page is marked with blue like this. Site features. Click on the site features button to see all settings or tools for communication with customers. The information in this window can be divided into four blocks. CRM form orders. You can go to the settings of the CRM form, which is located on this page. If there is no form, it will be automatically created at the end of the page. You can configure here. Add any of the form. You can customize for what you want to. After that, customer communication. You can configure the widget which is connected to the site. You can configure it whether you want with WhatsApp or you can integrate with this. Need help? Fill out the form to contact the partner. They will help you to create website and implement Bitrix24. Settings gallery. Click on it to change the settings and design of the site. As we know. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.